Hi guys, so I'm still working on a Hyundai Elantra 2011. So that's the part 2 of replacing the coupling rubber that was making this sound. So after dropping the steering, you have a 14 millimeter. This is the bolt in the back. Got all the steering. The bolt is right there, somewhere there, and it's going there, like through this part. So we just have 3 T40 to remove their torques, and after you're there, as you can see, the rubber is dead, it's worn out, it needs to be replaced. So that is the part, what it's supposed to look like. So this is the replacement part number. If you need it for your Hyundai or Kia, it's the same thing. So thanks for watching guys, have a nice day and subscribe.